Hello again. Today I will be showing you how I make an everyday refresh spray that I use to keep moisture in my high porosity hair, as well as maintaining management of tangles daily. All of the ingredients I've used will be in my blog, which is linked in the description below. First, you'll need to wash out your spray bottle if it's dirty. I have this large sized one that I got from a hair shop. To begin the solution, add some dollops of a semi-solid creamy leave-in conditioner. The one I chose to use is the Cantu Sheer Butter for Natural Hair Leave-In Conditioning Cream. This is very important since the main aim here is to moisturize. What I added next is lavender glycerin. Glycerin is a moisturizer said to help repair hair, thus preventing split ends and minimizing frizz. Lavender is calming to a sensitive scalp, as well as antimicrobial to prevent dandruff, and it smells good. I add a small amount to thoroughly mix in the conditioner so there are no lumps. This is very useful since glycerin is an emulsifier for oils. Previously I've tried rosewater glycerin, but this time I decided to add a supplement of rosewater. And of course, another important component for moisture is water. I use rose water as it is enriched with vitamins. It is also anti-inflammatory and antiseptic like lavender. It is also said to stimulate your scalp for hair growth, strengthen the hair and reduce buildup. You can make rose water yourself, preferably organic, or buy some like I did. When you've added this, give the bottle another shake. Next is when I add the oils. First is olive oil. The one from your kitchen is perfectly fine. Olive oil is a moisturizing oil since many of its components are emollients. This is good for dry, thick, processed and/or damaged hair. Next is almond oil, which is also an emollient, including lots of protein, omega-9 fatty acids, and vitamin E, a natural antioxidant. Do not use this if you have a nut allergy. Almond oil strengthens, repairs, and as a result could lead to hair growth and additionally treats the scalp. Jojoba oil is said to be very similar to the oil our scalp naturally secretes. The main use is for moisturization. Avocado oil is suitable for all levels of porosity of hair. It also strengthens since it can penetrate the hair shaft and encourages hair growth. I also add a little bit of tea tree oil for its antiseptic properties. Lastly is flaxseed oil that can help to reduce hair loss. I use the tiniest amount since I think you're meant to wash it out. As you can hopefully kind of see, only about a fifth of the bottle is the oil blend. You can opt out of attempting to mix all of these yourself and instead buy a pre-made mix if you choose to. I have been making this solution for about 9 months now, and I'm just used to adding the multitude of oils. Finally, shake the bottle so all the oils, rose water, lavender glycerin and conditioner combine. Check out this travel-sized version that I take with me on overnight stays, short trips and holidays. It's very handy when you don't have your full arsenal of hair products available to you. Fill the rest of the bottle with water, shake again, and now you have a daily refresh spray to manage your curls. Now I will demonstrate how I use the spray on first my natural hair and then one of my water wave wigs. Initially, I wet my hair until damp, then I spread the water throughout my hair. After that comes the refresh spray, which I distribute, then massage through my scalp and hair to somewhat seal in the moisture from the water. This helps me to keep my hair more manageable before the next wash day comes around. When I am staying indoors or before bed, I style my hair in 2 braids so that when my hair dries, the moisture remains, as well as my hair is stretched when I take the cane rows out. For this water wave wig, I also start with the same process of wetting the hair meticulously. You may seek aid from a towel to keep yourself from getting wet. I comb out the hair, then add some more water near the ends of the hair. Now comes the refresh spray, which I apply to the ends. As you can see, the curls look rejuvenated and uniform. If you have less kinky hair or wavy hair, you can change the solution to be more water-based and add less oil to prevent buildup. Thank you for watching. Bye.